プリム、プリニーチャンネル。チャンネル登録よろしくね。Hello, everyone.
Today, let's learn about animals.
You'll hear an animal sound. Can you guess what it is?
Stay with us until the end. What animal's sound is this? Which animal makes this sound? 1. Dog. 2. Cat. 3. Mouse. Dog. Cat. Mouse.
Which one? The animal that goes meow meow is.
The correct answer is cat.
Yay!
Did you get it right? Now, let's make a sentence with the word cat. This cat is white. 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 This cat is black. 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 This cat is fluffy. 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 This cat is quiet. 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 This cat is sleepy. 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 We love cats. We love cats. We love cats. We love cats. We love cats.
Quiz time. Now, let's see what we learned.
What words fit? The correct answers are: this cat is white. This cat is white. What words fit? The correct answers are: this cat is black. This cat is black. What words fit? The correct answers are: this cat is fluffy. This cat is fluffy. What words fit? The correct answers are: this cat is quiet. This cat is quiet. What words fit? The correct answers are: this cat is sleepy. This cat is sleepy. What words fit? The correct answers are: we love cats. We love cats.
We learned a lot today.
Let's learn together again.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more fun.